Hello everyone. Today I will cover on how to use IFTTT. These days, our digital lives are expansive, taking into account many devices, platforms, and services. IFTTT, short for if this, then that, is an easy way to automate tasks that might otherwise be repetitive or unable to talk to each other. It works like this. Users are guided through a process to make simple scripts, aka recipes, or some type of event in one device or service automatically triggers an action in another. IFTTT is also completely free and well supported. Okay, just after heading to the IFTTT website, just click the sign up link in the upper right corner and enter the email and password you'd like to use. Then IFTTT will take you through a crash course on how to use the site. Just select the channels you're interested in. As a tip, select channels of partners that you have accounts with. You use these channels when making recipes. When you're finished, just click continue. Okay, let's try one IFTTT. Okay, let's try this. Publish your Instagram business photos on Facebook page and Twitter. Okay, I hope this one it will works. Okay, just slide to connect. Going to Facebook. Okay, so there's a problem in connecting to my Facebook account. We just checked. So I think this one is not working. Let's just try another one. Let's try to connect the Google Docs to Twitter to unlock powerful experience. Okay, let's try one. Okay, let's try the Twitter to Google Docs. I will access the IFTTT to my Google account. Okay, so it's already connected. Then go to the settings. Review activity. Let's try one tweet. Say let's stay at home. And then I'm going to check my Google Drive. To a Google document. There you go. So my tweet is successfully saved to my G Drive. Okay, so that's it. That's the IFTTT working. Thank you for watching and have a great day.